If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a video that could literally change your life.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Pharmascope. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about quitting smoking. Or maybe you're supporting someone who is. Either way, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to quit smoking, step by step, in a way that's realistic, science-based, and actually doable. First things first, why do you smoke? Is it stress, a habit, social pressure, or maybe you just enjoy it? Understanding your reason helps you figure out the best way to quit. Smoking isn't just a physical addiction, it's also emotional and behavioral. Knowing your triggers is the key to breaking the cycle. Now choose a quit date. Make it realistic, not too far away, but give yourself a few days to prepare. Tell your family and friends. Write it down. Make it a real commitment. Think of it as the day your body starts healing and your life starts changing. There are many ways to quit, and no single method works for everyone. You can go cold turkey, or you can use nicotine replacement therapy like patches, gum, or lozenges. There are also prescription medications like bupropion or varenicline that reduce cravings. Talk to a healthcare provider, especially a pharmacist or doctor, about what's best for you. Yes, cravings will come, but they don't last forever. Each craving usually lasts just 5-10 minutes. Use distractions. Go for a walk, chew gum, drink water, take deep breaths. Avoid your smoking triggers, whether it's coffee, alcohol, or certain places. And remember, the worst of the withdrawal symptoms usually fade in the first 2-3 weeks. Every day you don't smoke is a win. Track your progress. Celebrate milestones. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month smoke-free. Think about the money you're saving, the energy you're gaining, and how much healthier your lungs and heart are getting. Remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. If you slip up, don't give up. Relapse is common, and it doesn't mean you failed. Learn from it, and try again. The most important thing is to keep going. You're stronger than the cigarette. And every time you try again, you get closer to quitting for good. You've got this. Quitting smoking is hard, but it's one of the best things you can do for your body, your future, and the people you love. If you need help, don't hesitate to talk to a healthcare provider or reach out to a support group. Thank you for watching, and take that first step today.